Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 8th, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, we are going to write the answers of the questions of the chapter Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. In the previous video, we answered from question number 1 to question number 6, and today we are going to answer the questions from question number 7 onwards. यानी question number 7 पे आज लिखूँ आंसर तो ये कड़ियो पनी किताब ये कड़ियो तो पेज नंबर 143 पे आज पे लिखित question number 7 अगर तो ये वुचू but can you store lemon pickle in an aluminum utensil? Explain. तो लेमन पिकल आचार यह हेको एलुमिनियम यूटेंसिल्स मज स्टोर कर अत लिखो जवाब शाबाश पिकल इज एसिडिक विच react with aluminum to produce salt and hydrogen gas, hence it is not stored in aluminum utensil. The pickle is acidic. Pickle is acidic which react with aluminum. Which aluminum से reaction करा. Pickle is acidic which reacts with aluminum to produce salt and hydrogen gas. Which aluminum से reaction करा अचनेरा salt the hydrogen gas. So hence it is not stored in aluminum utensil. को तवै छु aluminum utensils में store यवां करना. ये क्वेश्चन आसे लेखन यह गस वीडियो पाज कर पत लिख आराम सान क्वेश्चन तो तुल पन्नी कापी पे वुचो 8th सवाल इन द फॉलोइंग टेबल सम सब्सटेंसेस आर गिवन इन द कॉलम फर्स्ट इन कॉलम सेकंड सम यूजेस आर गिवन मैच द आइटम्स इन कॉलम फर्स्ट विद दोज इन कॉलम सेकंड यानी कॉलम फर्स्टस मज आइटम दित कॉलम सेकंडस मज इहद यूज दित कत इस्तेमाल सपदान अश कर रलावन कॉलम फर्स्ट तो कॉलम सेकंड अगर तुम वो गो दितमुत गोल्ड आयरन एलुमिनियम कार्बन कॉपर तो मरकरी यपर अगो थर्मोमीटर्स इलेक्ट्रिक वायर रैपिंग फूड ज्वेलरी मशीनरी फ्यूल अगर गोल्ड वो तो यह पता गोल्ड यह जुड़ सोदी अत बना ज्वेलरी बना आयरन आयरनस बना मशीनरी एलुमिनियम रैपिंग फूड मटीरियल पे कार्बन गो फ्यूल कॉपर इलेक्ट्रिक वायर तो पे मरकरी अत गो थर्मोमीटर हम जुड़ो तुम इथे कन अगर वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate. First part, iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution. Question number 9. What happens? First part, dilute sulfuric acid is poured on copper. Plate. Shabash. Answer shuat. Yani copper doesn't react with dilute sulfuric acid. However, it reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid yani H2SO4 when poured on copper plate to form copper sulfate and hydrogen gas. The chemical reaction between concentrated sulfuric acid and copper is shabash Cu go copper plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid it gives CuSO4 ये कैसे गए copper sulfate CuSO4 गए अब copper sulfate H2 go hydrogen gas अच्छा पाँच दोयम iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution. यानी ये iron nail travो copper sulfate solution हाथ देखो iron being more reactive displaces copper from sulfate. The blue color of copper sulfate fades and there is deposition of copper on iron nail. Fe go iron plus CuSO4 go copper sulfate. You see iron is करा replace. आज बना FeSO4 यानी ferrous sulfate plus copper. Question number 10. Sarish took a piece of burning charcoal and collected the gas evolved in a test tube. Yani Sarish new charcoal piece use a gas dra is collect karan test tubes. How will she find the nature of gas? But sukit kan kar molum ask nature. Is acidic can issue basic. Go is answer. Sarish should add some water in the test tube. We are test tubes gas as try up in which gas was collected. Shake it and bring a litmus paper near the test tube. You can shake the litmus paper or test tube nazdi. The solution will turn blue litmus paper red. Why you see solution? Yasa banai blue litmus paper ath banai red. Confirming the solution is acidic. It can confirm solution is acidic. Which are part number 2. Write down word equation for all the reactions taking place in the process. Aad go answer Shabaz. But charcoal contains carbon which on burning forms carbon dioxide gas. Yani charcoal is much carbon asa C plus O2 oxygen amsh banawa CO2. CO2 ko carbon dioxide. Yel carbon dioxide gas collect go we kya shat karan wo shi aap trawa ase. The gas evolved is collected in a test tube and water is added to it. Yel aap im throw isho CO2 plus H2 ne carbon dioxide plus water is this gives H2CO3 यानी carbonic acid. अगर तो वुशु carbon dioxide पे water ये बनावा carbonic acid. Well, it is due to carbonic acid that the solution is acidic. तवाई acidic and बनो carbonic acid. Question number 11. One day Rita went to the jeweler's shop with her mother. Her mother gave old gold jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. The Rita has a gay pani marriage goldsmith in the shafts pet. Emerson marriage come old gold ornaments in a sonson cheese as pran, did gold simpsons was a car polish. Next day, when they took the jewelry back, the big doyle son wapas on, they found that there was a slight loss in its weight. Also, I just loss gumut weights. Yani athus weight gumut thoda kam. But can you suggest a reason for the loss in weight? But to hiko avanit ath kya jos gumut weight kam. Lekho is the gold ornament when polished is dipped in a liquid called aquaregia, a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. On getting dissolved in aquaregia, the outer layer of gold dissolves and an inner shyly layer appears. The dissolving of the layer causes a reduction in the weight of the jewelry. You got the answer. Which last question is, why is phosphorus stored in water? Phosphorus kya hai abastal thab. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. It catches fire if exposed to air. Yutu ye hawa lagyat. And yutu ye contact kas hawa kis contacts mas achhewa nar. To prevent the contact of phosphorus with atmospheric oxygen. Daba agar aisa काम करे aisa यो बचावन ये गछ contact हवा किस contacts मंज युन कि it is stored in water. So that's why it is stored in water. इसका मकले वतन क्वेश्चन सरी तो इंशाल्लाह आइंद इन वलिस वीडियोस में पढ़ो इसमें नौ चैप्टर मगर तुम करो मीन वाइल यम तम क्वेश्चन लिख लिखियो तुम तिथे पे कापी पे इत पे स्कूलस में लेखान तो तुम करो पन नोट बुक मेंटेन बहुत तुम बार बार वन कि तुम कह यानी क्वेश्चन कड़ो अत गि वीडियो पे पाज कर वीडियो कोर पाज लिख आराम सान पे पकनो वीडियो बे ब्रो ब्या क्वेश्चन कोर बे पाज लिख सह बे तो इंशाल्लाह आइन वीडियोस में तुलो नौ चैप्टर तो तीस काल इजाज़त खुदा हाफिज़।